Hi, this is Bill from SERVPRO. We're here at another sump pump loss. Fortunately, this homeowner has a sump pump rider. What I want to show you today is he has a wood laminate floor that you can see lots of people have. It gets wet and we have to take it out. In addition to that, what appears to be a smart idea is not. They have a sump floor underneath it. They buy this 2x2 squares that are very expensive, and all they do is create a moat underneath it. You can see all the water underneath there. We have to remove all that just to get it out. Get your sump pump rider. This is why you cut insulation. Why you cut walls, because of the water that's left in the walls.